Hey from the future, it's String. I'm about to throw some epic knowledge bombs and fried chicken at you. Get ready.
So what is d.tech?
d.tech High School is a public charter school in its fourth year, and it is trying to revolutionize education through design thinking and really making design thinking a 21st century skill for students to then go out and change the world and be the ones to make the world a better place.
So you're empowering kids to have design thinking and critical thinking pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh, so what's interesting is that d.tech is inside Oracle at the moment.
So it's recently moved as of January to Oracle's campus on 275 Oracle Parkway, and that is through a connection between the Oracle Education Foundation and Design Tech, which happened before this school even came to fruition, before it was even in the hallways of Mills, which is another high school. There are some of my colleagues went to a design challenge, and they met leaders from the Oracle Education Foundation, and their visions really aligned for education. And so
you went from a hallway, like it's only been around for 4 years.
It's the fourth year.
And so that means like these kids are graduating
this year, first gragraduating class. I know.
That's super exciting because they kind of like it's kind of seeing what they're going to do next. That's the most exciting part.
Yeah, just kind of putting them out into the real world and what's going to happen. So.
At the moment, we're at Zine, and what I realized is like one of the interns from the school is here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we have 2 interns here. Main part of my role, besides being a teacher, is the internship coordinator. So this year I started an internship program at Design Tech, and we piloted a few options last year before I came on with the Redwood Shores Library, because that's really close to where the school is now. But internship program kind of came to full force, and so we have around anywhere from 50 to 60 students placed out every intersession for a 2-week period. Intersession happens 4 times a year. And I really believe in the mission of the internship program, which is to get students to have real world experiences beyond the 4 walls of their classroom, and also to implement design thinking into real workspaces so that it can be kind of a mutual exchange.
So look, I just like, I forgot his name, but he was showing me, he got super excited. So he has like ownership of this project where he's creating a podcast for these like young kids, and I just think it's really cool that he's like really excited, and he regularly goes to Tim and just like show off, like ask for feedback. So this is like, almost like he's going to come out with this with like real time applications, like I created a project out of this. At the moment, how like d.tech was like a current education system, or is it just a different way of thinking of doing education at the moment?
So yeah, d.tech is still a public charter school, so it's within the United States education system, but it's definitely, as a charter, you have much more freedom in the curriculum and in the way the school is run to kind of teach students the way that the faculty thinks is best. And so it's definitely a school, but with a different mindset, and it's less focused on grades and teach to the test and this, and it's really to teach the whole student and to teach them for what we don't know. So to teach them for the uncertainties that will come next, and the uncertainties that are in education in our world today.
Especially with technology, we're moving, especially when you're living in San Francisco, and technology is moving so exponentially faster.
Right.
So you get to see what the future looks like, and one of the conversations, like a lot of like conversations been around automation and robotics, right?
Right. Yeah.
And that means like, is the kids who are studying now or getting ready for university, when they come out, will they have jobs afterwards? That's like a big conversation. Even like, I feel like it's around the world. It's like a global conversation.
Completely. I mean, there's an article with The Economist that I was reading and sent to my staff about learning and earning and what's going to happen with automation, with these different kind of technologies, and a number of our students are interested in that. They're interested. We have a huge robotics team that's at competition actually last weekend and this weekend in Sacramento, and a lot of students are very interested in VR and what's coming of that. And then there's a lot of students who have other interests, and so we want to kind of be able to personalize for every single student and find what's their niche and what makes them tick, because we're really looking, especially in the senior class and for all of our students, what is their superpower, like where are they going to excel, and how can we help that to flourish.
Awesome. And again, like, what's the mission of these kids? It's like to get them ready and empower them to get ready for the future, right?
Yeah, the students are the ones to make the world a better place, and we want to provide them with the tools and the support and the resources possible to help them do that, to help them be change makers. teachers.
All right. Thank you so much for
You're
doing
welcome.
that. And if anyone wants to know more about d.tech, what's the website?
www.d.tech.org.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.